What's up, guys? It's Haban NQ, and I'm back with another trade recap of today's trade that I took during New York session. We ended up taking a loss today, $300 loss, but I mean it outweighs our wins from this whole week, so it's okay. Today is Thursday, January 29th, and this trade was taken at around 9:30, maybe 10 o'clock. Oh no, 10 o'clock. Sorry. All right, so let's get into it. On the 1 hour, it was straight away 8 o'clock, 8:30 actually. Sorry. Oh, I can't. 8:30. Super bearish candle. Um, I had my market marked out right here. Since these were London highs. Oh, these are London highs. Sorry, London highs right here. Those are Asia highs. And then we had Asia. No, no. Super condensed market. Asia already got taken out. London got taken out pre-market, and then we get this super aggressive dump on the 8:30. Uh, on the 8:30 minute or at 8:30. Sorry. And then the 15 minute, I was looking at what we're doing. We just kept taking out liquidity. Boom, 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 and then we inverse this 15-minute fair value gap right here. So I was like, okay, we're gonna push lower. I had this marked out right here as my draws of liquidity lower. I got on the market at about like 9:30 because I had class today. So 9:30, not or maybe not like 9:25. Sorry, I got in at this retest right here, and I'm like looking at it. I'm like, oh, it would be so perfect if we retested into this 5 minute fair value gap. Like we could definitely look for shorts, but we didn't end up getting that. It was eco right here, so didn't really confirm my bias to the downside. So I didn't look for anything up there, and then this is so dumb of me, but we took out this liquidity right here, and I thought this liquidity would still be like decent grab. So I was like, okay, we swept this. Let's wait for a little retest, and then let's continue lower since we're so bearish. Right here, from the 15-minute inversion, 5 minute, we had this small fair value gap right here, and as you can see, I marked it out on the 5 minute, and then on the 1 minute, I'm looking at this, I'm like, oh shit, we have a doji candle right here, closed perfectly. We're going lower. All right, bet. Let me get in this. So I wait for a break of or not break of structure. This 1 minute inverse. We inverse this or we inverse on this candle right here, barely, but I still thought it was enough. Even if not, like I would have entered off this inverse right here. Uh, I was just super eager coming off these winning streaks. I'm like, okay, bet, bet. Like I know what I'm doing. I mean, I do know what I'm doing, but just gotta um manage my discipline a little bit better. Uh, I set that right there. Oh, entered off that inverse on the 1 minute, and I set my stop. I set my stop. Uh, I think it was definitely no, it was a little higher. It was above this fair value gap right here. I set my stop above this fair value gap. And if you couldn't tell already, we were in a little bit of profit. Got it super excited. Risked 300 on this trade, by the way. And then we automatically inverse this. So I definitely should have looked at this a little bit better. Um since we swept this liquidity right here, I should have definitely uh taken what I know and should know that, oh, we're just gonna have a bigger retrace. Like if we look on the 15 minute, as soon as I saw the 15 minute, I was like, yeah, we're cooked. Right here we get this close above this liquidity draw, or under this liquidity draw, and then I see this fair value gap right here that I should have seen sooner. We end up inversing it, and we continue higher. After this trade, I got off. Didn't want to risk any more than I needed to. Maybe could have possibly caught a trade to the upside, but there was not really much liquidity, so I didn't want to risk anything when I didn't have to. Uh, Definitely learned that I need to be more careful about when we sweep liquidity, and not just chase the move. As I thought this is gonna be like a better liquid or a good liquidity grab, but unfortunately the trade did not play out in my favor. And obviously we have winning days and we also have losing days, and it's how we react off those losing days that make us better at this trading, or at least that's what I think and I was told. Uh, yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. Took a $300 L. On to the next day. Tomorrow I should have a video of me trading the market live since I have no school. Today I had school, so it kind of sucks. Tuesdays and Thursdays really suck because my stupid teacher doesn't let me take out or use my computer in class. Such bullshit. But anyways, that's gonna wrap it up for me. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe. Habana and Q out.